Hi everyone, today I'll walk you through how I made this super image stack reveal in Framer. I'll also share the inspiration and the free remix link in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, then go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack. Press F on keyboard to add a frame. Draw a frame like this, set the width 500, height 400, make it layout, right click on it, create component, name it stacked image or anything you'd like. Change the name here, desktop, inside it, draw a frame, width again 500, height 400, name it thumbnail, inside again draw a frame, width relative 100%, height relative 100%, align it center, name it image, click this fill image and upload our image. Now click here, lock the aspect ratio and duplicate this 3 more times by pressing Ctrl+D. Collapse it, select these 3, position absolute, set the width to 150, unpin it, rename the layer to image 1, click here, position it left as for this, bottom, left, finally for this, right, bottom, update the image, click this thumbnail, scroll down, styles, Z index, make it 2, select the images like this, then add radius 15. Now select the parent layer, remove their fill color, click this desktop, also remove their fill color and set the overflow to visible. Next, create a variant, name it desk2, click the thumbnail, change the position to absolute, unpin it, lock it, set the width to 150. Now select other layer again, scroll down, transforms, rotate, then click this thumbnail, scroll down, add rotation -15, align it right, top as for this, -10, align it left, top for this 10, align it left, bottom, finally for this 10, right, bottom, click here, click this icon, drop it here, interaction, mouse enter, and for this click here, interaction, mouse leave. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, it's working, but we need to make the transition smoother. Double click on it, click here, increase the time to 1, reduce the bounce to 0. Yeah, it looks perfect. Change the width to fit content, height, fit content. Now duplicate this 3 more times, total of 4. Click this desktop, height, fit content, select these 2, wrap them in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter, name it top, direction horizontal, and for this name it bottom, direction horizontal. Select these 2, add stack, name it container, add some padding, 40 on top, 40 on bottom. Now let's update the image. To do that, create variables so you can use different images. Double click on it, click this image, fill, create variables, image, name it thumbnail. As for this image, name it top left, bottom left, finally for this bottom right. Now go back, click here, this thumbnail, and upload different image. Done. Now let's preview. Yeah, it looks perfect. Need to fix this. As you can see, it's cut off. So click this bottom, overflow visible. Also here, overflow visible. Perfect. Let's make it responsive. Double click on it. click here, change the name to tablet, set the width 390, height 312, put the same value here 390, then set the other images to half of that, which is 195. So select the rest of the images, lock it with 195, remove the interaction and create a variant. Repeat the same process, rename it to tab 2, then select all the images, scroll down, transforms, rotate, click here with 195, position absolute, scroll down, rotate, -15, align it right, top, as for this, -10, top, left, as for this only 10, left, bottom, finally for this, right, bottom. For tablet and phone, we will use tab interactions. Since touch screens don't support hover, click here, then click here, click this icon, drop it here, interaction, click. As for this, interaction, click. Go to home, breakpoints, tablet, and let's preview it. Yeah, it looks perfect. Finally, let's make the mobile version. Repeat the exactly same process. Create a variant, name it phone, remove the interaction, width 300, height 240, click the thumbnail 300. As for this, 150, select it, scroll down, transforms, rotate, and then create a variant, name it phone 2 with 150, position absolute, scroll down, rotate, -15, right top, -10, left top, only 10, left bottom. For this, 10 and right bottom, click here, then here, interaction, click. As for this, same, click here, phone, expand it, then top, direction, vertical, also for this vertical. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect. This is the tablet version and this is the desktop version. And that's it for this quick tutorial. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, inshallah.